It's now a third-degree felony in the state of Florida to harvest a certain berry without permission or a permit. It is also against the law to knowingly purchase the poached berries. Several people have recently been arrested and charged for stealing these medicinal fruit. Intrigued, I decided to dig a little deeper. According to authorities, the medicinal berries can fetch anywhere from 70 cents a pound all the way up to $3.50 a pound. The berries are sometimes sold to roadside buyers, but the berries generally make their way down to South Florida and then are shipped to China for processing. Unsurprisingly, the berries are easy to find. What make these particular berries so special that people will risk hell or jail to obtain them? Let's take a closer look. Did you know that Serenoa repens, also known as Saw Palmetto, is a fruiting medicinal palm tree native to the southeastern United States? In traditional medicine, Native Americans were known to use the fruit of Saw Palmetto to treat urinary and reproductive system problems. Saw Palmetto Fruit Extract, or SPE, is commonly used in the treatment of BPH-related LUTs. Benign prostatic hyperplasia, or BPH, is a non-cancerous growth of the prostate. BPH commonly occurs in elderly men. Simply put, the older a man gets, the larger his prostate become. Luteus, or lower urinary tract symptoms, sometimes occur in men with benign prostatic hyperplasia. Lower urinary tract symptoms are a group of clinical symptoms comprising obstructive symptoms including hesitancy, poor stream, incomplete voiding, urinary retention, and overflow incontinence, as well as irritative symptoms including frequent urination, urgent urination, nocturia, and urge incontinence. Treatment options are medication and surgery. Though medication prescribed for mild to moderate BPH is effective, there is continued growing interest in the use of saw palmetto extract in patients with BPH due to drug-related adverse effects, such as postural hypotension, retrograde ejaculation, and impairment of erection. Retrograde ejaculation and impairment of erection? Now I can see why there's a demand for saw palmetto fruit. But how effective is saw palmetto when it comes to benign prostatic hyperplasia? Permixin is a hexane extract supplement of saw palmetto and is the most studied. According to research, clinical studies with permixin have produced reproducible results of improvement of urinary symptoms. A meta-analysis that includes all available randomized control trials and observational studies showed that permixin reduced nocturia and improved maximum urinary flow compared with placebo. Moreover, permixin had a similar efficacy to tamsulosin, a commonly prescribed medication in relieving luteus. This data suggests that the hexane extract of saw palmetto, permixin, is an efficacious therapeutic option for the long-term treatment of LUTS secondary to BPH. In general, saw palmetto extracts are well tolerated in men with BPH. There is agreement that adverse effects of saw palmetto extracts are few and mild, and that their incidences are not significantly different compared to placebo.